Ensuring home security is a top priority for homeowners today. Unfortunately, there are many affordable security systems available to them. Wuuk is one such system that aims to provide everything you need to feel safe in your home without breaking the bank. Introducing the Wuuk Wireless Cam Pro Kit. This system includes 2 security cameras that you can install yourself within minutes. With 2K video recording capabilities, you can obtain clear footage for easy identification of potential intruders. So let's just see how good this thing is and unbox it. So as mentioned, this is an all-in-one system, and with that you get a quick out-of-the-box experience. In the box we get mounting guides, stickers, introduction leaflets and start guides, along with our 2 cameras, base station and various fittings. One feature that sets this affordable security camera system apart from others on the market is its exceptional base station. The base station comes with a built-in local storage capacity of 32GB, which is more than sufficient for loop recording. The advantage of having local storage is that you can access your data conveniently from your home and your privacy is protected. This means that even if the cameras are stolen, you can retrieve the local footage. This station actually plugs directly into your router with a wired connection, not via Wi-Fi, so although you don't have a wire-free setup there, you will gain better performance as the establishing connection goes all the way through this, making for a much more reliable and stable connection overall. The cameras are completely wireless, making for an easy installation without the need for any wires. You can connect up to 8 security cameras to the system base, and all the cameras are powered by a 9600 mAh rechargeable battery. This can be recharged using a standard cable. Due to their lightweight design and lack of wires, these cameras can be installed practically anywhere. Additionally, their IP67 waterproof feature allows them to withstand even the harshest weather conditions, ensuring that your property remains under surveillance no matter the weather. Now, in terms of picture quality, well, you can't really complain. These cameras capture 2K resolution footage, providing a sharp and crystal clear image that is more than good enough to capture facial features, number plates and any other possible important factors in the event of a possible intrusion. Its motion tracking feature detects and captures activities when intrigued. If you plan to have this as your main source of the recording, you'll not only save on battery life, but you'll only capture what is important when the motion is detected. Using the corresponding app, we actually set how we want the motion to be detected, along with the recording settings. There is actually smart AI functionality which allows the system to know whether it has a human going past the camera's field of view, or if it's just an animal or something else. This particular feature is very helpful as it allows you to get only the most relevant video clips and minimize false alerts from neighboring counterparts. The app has a feature called detection zones, which allows you to set specific areas where motion detection will occur. For instance, if you want to be alerted only to motion near your property and not in your neighbors, you can draw a detection zone around that area. So no more false alerts from any possible neighbors doing their bin run or just simply walking out of their property. Additionally, these cameras have a bright spotlight on the front that can be used instead of infrared. This allows them to capture full color footage during nighttime activities. You can set your preferences for nighttime footage recording within the app, either using the traditional IR night vision or the spotlight feature when motion is detected. The spotlight can capture vital details in color, which could be crucial for evidence gathering. And then if you just want black and white to save on battery life, that option is there too. It really depends on what you want. You can also access the camera's live feed through your smartphone and use its 2-way audio talk and instant reply features. By doing this, we can interact with personnel, deterring them or possibly guiding a delivery driver to your parcel safe spot. The app also has an anti-theft alarm option that produces a loud warning sound when unwanted movements are detected. So for example, you're going on holiday and can't always keep an eye on the property. With this activated, when motion is detected, a loud siren will play for a few fair seconds. Both the base station and all the cameras are controlled via the Wuuk app. the app offers many options and functionalities to get the best out of the system. There's no doubt about that. Down to customizing motion detection to setting its recording details. We can even then go through our full library of motion detected footage to go over recent events directly from our phone without having to be near the actual cameras. So we could be sat within the house near the base station for instant playback. All in all, the Wuuk Wireless Cam Pro security camera is an excellent security option for those looking for a reliable and high quality option without breaking the bank. On top of its advanced functionalities and features, it doesn't require a monthly fee. Everything is recorded to that base system, meaning it really is a one-time payment. If you are looking for highly efficient security devices, Wuuk has a good range of items to choose from. So be sure to check out this product in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. Till next time.